Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I try to fix my iPhone. So the iPhone works just fine. It only has that crack on the back as you see right now. So I watched some tutorials and thought I'll be able to fix my iPhone, but I failed miserably. As you see, I'm holding the heat gun right now and I try to heat the back of my iPhone. And now I'm turning the iPhone down just because I thought it was the right thing to do. But at the end of the video, as you will learn, the iPhone will not turn on. I just broke it. I should just have left it like that, and the iPhone would be right, really, because I had a case that just covered that whole crack over there. But for some reason I thought I can fix it just by watching some tutorials. So if you can take anything from this video, just take this one. If you don't have the experience, don't do it. Yes, you can watch some tutorials on YouTube on how people replace the back of the iPhone. It's much harder than it may seem. The reason why you can go wrong or you may break something on the inside of the iPhone is because, as you may learn in just a couple of minutes, once you try to remove those glasses, it's shattered and you need to remove piece by piece. And sometimes you don't have, at least for me, I didn't have the patience to do it, to give it the proper time and just do it the right way. I went a bit hard on it. So there's something I learned from this experience. When you do it, try to remove those pieces very slowly. And if you can't remove them for whatever reason, just pick up your heat gun and give it some heat one more time and try to remove that area of glass. That's the only thing you need to do. And right now, as you may see, I just picked this big knife. That's a very bad idea. You need to do it with a thin knife like the first one I had in my hand, and just do it by that one, because when you heat that glass long enough, those pieces will take off eventually. But once again, if I can just give you some advice, don't do it, because this iPhone is quite expensive, at least for me. And if I just brought it to someone who is a professional in fixing iPhones, I would just have paid them like 120 euros, I think, 150 euros. I live in Europe, in the Netherlands, so it will be like around that price. And I would be better off because now I have a broken iPhone. I can't turn it on, and the glass is not repaired because at the end of the video, I will not be able to put that new glass on the back of my iPhone, because that camera over there is also something. You need also to remove that lens and put the back of the iPhone, or actually glue it to the back of the iPhone, and then you need to put the lens back. And that's something I highly recommend you not to do. Why? Because if you remove that lens and there's something and you just hit by accident a wire or something, the stabilization of the camera will break, and that's something you should think about. So once again, if you can take anything out of this video, just take this one thing from me. If you haven't any experience with fixing iPhones, just bring it to the store. Just do that. And there's one thing I even messed up in this the whole experience, and that's my desk. I even burned my desk for an area. So my desk is now white, and just one area in the middle is now brown. So yeah. So that's actually it. I'll speed the video now just that you guys can see what the end result is. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. And if you have any feedback for me, just leave that also in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Just a quick note on this part of the video. As you may see, I'm wearing a glove, and I wear the glove since the beginning of this video. But once you um, heat that back of the iPhone up with that heat gun, your iPhone will be very hot. So be very careful when you heat your iPhone up. Wear something, wear a glove or anything to protect your hands. And yeah, this is the part where I came to discover that my iPhone is not turning on. So, and the iPhone was very hot, so I couldn't click on that button for a long time. But believe me, that iPhone didn't turn on. At least for now. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to charge the iPhone for the whole night and see what it does tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll leave an update on the comment section below this video just to tell you guys if the iPhone turned on or not. But for the most part, if you haven't any experience with changing the back of any iPhone or any phone for that matter, just don't do it. Okay, I'll leave you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.